Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Cleaning and keeping your house clean isn't always an easy job. Sometimes it can take us several hours to clean and organize everything. Even though it can be a hassle, it's always worth it. It helps lift your mood and it makes everything smell better. But have you ever stopped to think about the products you use to clean your house? Most of the products available in grocery stores can be harmful to your health. Although they get the job done, they can be toxic if ingested, inhaled, or if they come in contact with your skin. Some of the substances used to make these products may cause immediate problems, such as skin or respiratory tract irritations, burns, and a burning sensation in your eyes. Others are even more dangerous. Studies link some of these chemical substances with lung problems and even cancer. An easy, safe way to keep your house clean is by making your own cleaning products at home. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a cleaning product that was used by our ancestors. The recipe is super easy, and you'll only need 2 things. Ingredients: 1 roll of toilet paper, white vinegar. Instructions: put the roll of toilet paper in a bowl. Then pour the vinegar over it. Now all you have to do is use the toilet paper to clean with. You may be asking yourself, why vinegar? Vinegar is an effective cleaning product with a high concentration of acetic acid that works as a disinfectant and powerful antimicrobial that can kill certain types of bacteria, and it also removes grease. Follow our tips and tell us what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.